Hello, everyone. This is Jared with Carbon Digital and Dev Guides. Today, we're going to be talking about how to add the Twitix. I'm sorry. Hell, 3, 2, 1. Hey, everyone. This is Jared with Carbon Digital and Dev Guides. Today, we're going to be talking about how to add the Twitter analytics tracking for ads to your website. So, the two test websites that I have here is one of my subdomains on WordPress, and then I also have a test site here in Squarespace. So first, what you're going to have to do is go to ads.twitter.com and you log in. Okay, and once you get logged in, you're going to see something remotely close to this. Uh, Before you can see the tools panel, you are going to have to go to your profile and input your payment method. Once you do that, this tools panel will be activated. Okay. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on tools and conversion tracking. And that's going to open up this page here. And you can see I have no ads, nothing. Absolutely nothing's happening here so far. Um, on the right hand side, you're going to see this universal website tag status. Now, this is the first code that you want to enter in. That's the primary tracker for your website. Now, with Twitter, once you create a campaign, you can also add that code specifically to your website to track just that campaign. But I want a more complete analytics whenever I'm in here looking at stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm adding the global or universal code. So we're going to click on view code and installation instructions. And it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is we're going to copy this and then we're going to put it in the head tag of our website. Now, this says if you are the person who will be installing the website tag, download the snippet and place it at the bottom of all pages on your website before the closing body HTML tag. Now that's different. Most of these are done in the header. No worries. That's not going to change our process. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into WordPress. All right. And once we're here, we first need to add a plugin that's going to greatly reduce our time. Um, and this is a multi-purpose um, plugin. So we're going to go to plugins and then add new. And once we get there, we're going to click in the search bar and type in custom CSS. And the first plugin should be Simple Custom CSS and JS by silkypress.com. So just click on the install now button and then activate it once it's done. And once that's ready, you're going to have this custom CSS and JS menu item in your left side of our menu. So when you hover over that, this sub menu here, we're going to click on Add Custom HTML. Very cool. And once that opens up, we're going to copy all of this and delete it. And then we're just going to paste in our code. It's very simple. I prefer to add an extra line at the end of this, but that's me. You can do whatever you want here. In the meantime, we need to add a title for the front end so that we can understand what's happening here. So we're just going to type in Twitter analytics. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to see a couple of options. All right, the first one is where do you want it? Do you want it at the top of your site or the bottom? the header or the footer. And here in our uh, back in the Twitter page, it says place it at bottom. And so we're going to click on footer. And it says, where do you want it in your website? You have a choice with the WordPress admin section, which is not going to do us any good if this is there or in the front end. And that's it. Once you're done with that, you just click on publish. And you're done. So when you come back here to the Twitter page, you can actually return to conversion tracking. And it'll tell you once it starts recognizing that this code is installed on your website, it'll start to say tracking. There's nothing else that you need to do here. And it's a very simple process. All right. And so now I'm going to switch gears and go over the Squarespace segment. All right. So inside this blank website, all it has is the default demo data. We're going to click on settings and then advanced and then code injection. And you'll notice right away there's a header and a footer. And all we're going to do is paste that code into the footer and click save. And it's really that simple. Now both WordPress and Squarespace is tracking what's happening with my ads on Twitter, and it's really simple. And so, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or whatnot, post the comments below the video or shoot us an email. If you have any questions, any other training tutorials, if you want us to send out anything specific, you can always reach out and we can see what we can do to put that together for you. Until next time, guys, happy coding.